implemented one Django application, how to consume third-party vendors. This is the process, sir. Now I am sending request. Yeah, Africa, South Africa. If IP address is valid, we will get the details definitely. So I'm not doing anything. I'm not implemented anything. Just I'm taken his API and I'm getting send it to the end user. This is the way of how to consuming the third party APIs. Dynamic means you can ask input function, send it, no problem. No issue, Sitaram. Input function. ఎక్కడ పంపించాలి అంతే అంతే మొన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాను మీకు ఫిల్టర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అని ఒక డిస్ప్లే వచ్చింది సార్ అలాగే వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ సమ్ అలర్ట్ మెసేజ్ ఎంటర్ యువర్ ఐపీ అడ్రస్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కోడ్ దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇట్ సార్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్మాల్ టాపిక్ హౌ టు డూ third party APIs with the Django application. Because up to now everyone having this is the doubt. What is as a API developer role? Every day I'm telling you if you know API developer, you are getting more package. Starting I'm telling, sir, I know only Python, take 2 lakhs. Sir, I know Django, take 3 lakhs. Sir, I know REST API, take 6 lakhs. So if you know API concept now, for example, where I'm implementing API, every day I'm creating separate project classes. A bigger doubt is there up to now. Sir, previously I implemented in our regular session, Django 17th March 11 am. This is our folder. Here I am created somewhere else one project I created there. What is the project? Mahesh jobs project is there. Mahesh jobs are there. In these jobs, have you remembered here? Models are there. Hyderabad jobs related, Pune jobs related, Bangalore jobs related. You know this code. You know this code. Admin I registered. After that, you know the view logic already know. I implemented in that day only Hyderabad jobs only. Remaining you implemented already. Then you are sending the URL pattern. Okay. Now, so this is not there. Only Hyderabad is available there. Yeah. Now come here, stop the server, CLS, CD, ... Now go to our Django 17th March, CD, Mahesh jobs, PY, manage.py, run server. I'm server started. Screen stuck అయిపోయిందా? Okay. Yeah. Sir, no module named test.api. ఎక్కడ ఎర్రర్ అది? In views లో ఎక్కడ ఉంది? I'm not doing anything kada. No module name test app.api, line number 24, URLs lona. ఎక్కడుంది URLs లో? ఒక్క నిమిషం చెప్తానాగండి. లేదు కదా, నువ్వు ఇది మోడల్స్, అసలు ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీ చేంజెస్ కదా. ఇది అడ్మిన్, ఇంకో ఇది వ్యూస్ లో ఏమైనా ఉందా? మోడల్స్ హైదరాబాద్ పూణే, ఓకే. రెండర్ నథింగ్. URLs ఫేక్ ఎర్రరా? వీ నీడ్ టు రీస్టార్ట్, ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం అయింది. ఫేక్ ఎర్రర్. నౌ కాపీ paste. Yes, welcome to Mahesh Jobs, Hyderabad jobs are there. Sir, now my situation, if I am given this application, Mahesh Jobs, by using URL, you are accessing. Suppose someone is accessing by using mobile apps. Is it possible? No. API is not there, na? Third party application is there. Suppose if I am using Python script, starting I'm written na base URL, endpoint avanni, but my applications there is no endpoint. How it is possible to access? No chance. Whenever you are sending this URL address only, then only you are accessing my application. Suppose some third party Java application, Python application, or mobile application, Android, how to access? For this application, is there any API is there? No, so no one can access. No use of this application. Only some people are interested for your application to access it. Now, already existing application, how to create API? Every day we are creating APIs. API means three things are required. First thing is views, serializer, URLs. Those three enough. Then you have to integrate it with your existing application. Then give that endpoint to any person. They can access your application by Android, Java, Python, anywhere. So you don't touch your application as you won't do modifications. Now everyone having bigger role. What is API developer role? One application is available. For that application, I am implementing one API. I will use that endpoint. By using that endpoint, I can do with browsable API or Postman, or I need to go with what is the next one? Python script. Anywhere we can use Swagger, anywhere. For example, చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. Now what I'm implementing API. I want to now already project is there. I am implementing API to my Django application. How to do? Okay. First, what to do? Ikkada go to settings. What we have to add? Idi Mahesh Jobs ena kada? Yeah. Sir, here first you have to add which one? REST underscore framework. You need to add compulsory because API want implemented this one. Implement this one. Next. Sir, go చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. This is Mahesh Jobs available in where? Our project, not API project. Here for this I want implemented one API. Right click on test app, create one folder first. Within the folder you can create API. Ante tomorrow my application not required. Remove that folder. Your application won't disturb. So what I'm doing here? Existing application, I'm creating API and give endpoint to the third party vendors. API lo what is required? 3 files are required. What it is? Simple. First file views.py. Every time we are written na? Yeah. In API, what is the next file? Serializers. Serializers.py. Next file URLs. Rose big story we are written. Simple story, only 3 classes enough for you. Views, serializers URLs. API will be ready. That API you can send. Now, first, we have to go with serializers. Please tell, what is the serializers here we can use? From same story, rest underscore framework dot serializers import model serializer. గుర్తుందా? డైలీ రాసే కూడా ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్ వే షార్ట్ కట్ హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ఏపీఐ ఫర్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ అప్లికేషన్. దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. ఫ్రమ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్, యా, which one models import Hyderabad jobs. Yes, for this one, what to do? Class Hyderabad jobs ante serializer inside model serializer. What to do? Meta అండ్ అయిపోయిందా లేదా? ఇదే కోడ్. డైలీ మనం ఏంటంటే సపరేట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేటెడ్. నౌ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటింగ్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ views డాట్ py. views డాట్ కాదు, ఏంటిది ఇది? సారీ, serializers డాట్ py. యా, నౌ టెస్ట్ యాప్ లో we have to create a folder API. Inside API you can create views, serializers, those things. Yes, please tell. views.py, what code? And already మీకు తెలిసిందే, వ్యూస్ లో డైలీ ఏమైనా వస్తాం మనం. క్వెరీ సెట్ serializer క్లాస్, వ్యూ సెట్స్, కంప్లీటెడ్ స్టోరీ. ఫ్రమ్ రెస్ట్ అండర్స్కోర్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ import, first whatever import view sets. Yes, after that from test app dot api dot serializers import Hyderabad job serializer. Next, from test app dot models import which one? Sorry, Hyderabad kada, Hyderabad jobs are imported. Completed. ఎక్కడ? Okay, done. So now class Hyderabad jobs crud cbv. Inside what it is? View sets dot model view set. First one, query set. What is the query set? Hyderabad jobs dot objects dot all. What is the second one? Serializer class. What is the serializer class? Hyderabad job serializer. Completed code. Daily same thing we're writing or not? Same. This one, views. Now, if view set is there, how to create urls.py? One concept I'm telling for view set URLs. Default routing concept. So generally here, whatever project URLs are there, 1 minute. Just paste it. Okay. Admin not required. Path include required. Views required. After that, sir, what it is there? From rest underscore framework import routers. Next, from test app dot API dot views. Views ఏనా? ఉంది కదా, views. Import. What I want to import? Hyderabad కాదు క్రడ్ సిబివి ఇన్ సజెషన్స్ రావట్లా, ఏదో మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. టెస్ట్ యాప్ డాట్ ఏపీఐ. ఓకే, వ్యూస్ కరెక్ట్, వ్యూస్ కదా. టెస్ట్ యాప్ డాట్ వ్యూస్ ఇంపోర్ట్. సర్లే, హైదరాబాద్ CRUD CB we provided there. Yes, I am given a concept, sir. I want to declare router equal to routers dot, what is the class name? Default router. Once I am given this register, router dot register. What I want to register? URL name Hyderabad jobs info, comma, what is your class name? Hyderabad jobs CRUD CBV. Completed. Now inside path, these are all not required. Remove this. I want to give empty with what to do? Include inside router dot URLs. Completed. Check the server position. Where? No, so first we have to create endpoint now. The test API related URLs. Once it is given, it will be redirected to project URL. Yes sir, no? Observe carefully. Sir, this URL is available. Where it is available? Test app lo. దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తానంటే I want to redirected to project URL లో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తాను దాన్ని. అది కాన్సెప్ట్. Because ఇది API, because tomorrow I don't want to. I will delete that API folder. Total will gone. Views will gone. URLs, everything. My application won't disturb. That is the process. Now I will link this to your URL. What is project URL? Ikkada. Already we know starting classes how to add a particular application URL to project level by using include function. Now give a path. What is our address I want to give? API. Yes, inside. What I want to use? Include. What I want to give? Where it is? Test app dot API dot URLs. Completed. Now your API is ready. That is the endpoint. By using that endpoint, you can do anything. Now check the server status. Sir, what is my endpoint? Up to now, you don't have any endpoint. Only URL address is there. Now onwards, my endpoint is this one. Everybody, API / what I'm given, Hyderabad jobs info. This is the endpoint. By using this, you can create browsable APIs, Python script code, or anything. Your wish. Postman, anywhere. Now check it. This is my API end view. Now here I'm getting this is normal request. If I'm given this, I'm getting like JSON data. Yes. Came, not came. The existing application, how to create endpoints. A concept teliste chalu. Ivali API developer. Simple concept only. Yes sir, no. Existing application, you create API, send this URL to client. But same endpoint, starting I'm telling Python code. Can I write Python code? And simple, you can take this one base URL, this one endpoint, JSON, read the data. Python script. Ante here it is a browsable API. Python script, Java, Android, anyone can access. Give that request to Postman, you will get the data. Give this one to Swagger. Okay, but can I use this URL anywhere? No, that's the problem. So whenever creating API, any user, third-party persons can access. So the final conclusion, whatever I'm telling is, today concept is the main. Existing application out to only 3 URLs, views, serializer. Your job completed. I am not disturbing any my application. Just I'm creating endpoint only. No problem. Idigo idi ikkada undaga. Idigo here. I am refreshing or not refreshing? Idigo. I am 1 minute. Idigo. Working, not working. Idi evarki through browser there who want to direct accessing this people. Third person. That is. Now ippudu Python script I will write with this endpoint. How to write Python script? చేసేయచ్చు, ఏముంది దానిలో పెద్ద విషయం. సేమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిప్లాయ్ pythonanywhere.com. ఈ ఫోల్డర్స్ ఫైల్స్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది, దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్అవుట్. ఇది మెయిన్ ఫైనల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ సార్, హౌ టు యాడ్ ఏపీఐ ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ టు ఎగ్జిస్ట్. మరి దీనికి పైథాన్ స్క్రిప్ట్, హౌ టు రైట్ పైథాన్ స్క్రిప్ట్? నేను బాధ ఏంది. ఏం రాశాను? వస్తున్నా. యాడ్ సో యాప్ లెవెల్ ని ప్రాజెక్ట్ లెవెల్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటే ఇన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ urls.py. ఇది project level. In project level code this one. ఇదే కదా, ఇవి ఒక్కలేనే కదా. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు ఏం రాయాలి? ఇంకో ఇదే కదా. Now I am implementing API to my DJung application. Okay, create a folder with the name API in test app folder. After that, create views.py, urls.py, serializers.py in API folder. Completed. How to make our project fully responsive. Now it is completely, once you had added API everything. Sir, now observe carefully. Serializers done, views done, URLs done. I included project level. I am sending the data. Now I want to develop Python script. How to develop Python script? Anyone remembered? Starting code, import request, request.url, base, endpoint. Starting I'm telling na. Go, I will show, then you will get clarity. Check this code. Have you remembered this code? Import request, base URL. What is the endpoint? Endpoint. It got request.get base plus endpoint. I am converting data. Enduk I am using your understandable format. I am printing company name, eligibility. Ivanni into keys. Where is the keys? Here, check it. You only have a keys: company, title, eligibility, address, phone number. Based on that keys, I am reading. Read that code. Clear this one. Starting I am telling. So I'm testing, okay, third party working or not working. Request చేసాంగా చాలు. Mahesh classes చూడండి py. What is the code? jobs.py. Am I getting total data or not? Ante by using third party Python application also I am getting. Which one I am running? Jobs.py. What is jobs.py? Python script. Here I am written my Python script also. Ante browsable API also I tested. Python script also I done. Tomorrow any Java person is there, they will write. So this is the main, what it is, endpoint. Separate folder ka Python script ఇది ఫోల్డర్ ఎందుకు దీనికి? నార్మల్ ఫైల్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా నేను పైథాన్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అని అంటే ఎక్కడైనా రాసుకో నీ ఇష్టం. టెస్టింగ్ పర్పస్ కి ఇది, నాట్ అప్లికేషన్. .py ఫైల్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద కోడ్. అంతే. అంటే మై అప్లికేషన్ వర్కింగ్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్ టెస్టింగ్ పర్పస్ దిస్ పైథాన్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ప్రాజెక్ట్. టెస్టింగ్ పర్పస్. సరే ఇది రియల్ టైమ్ వాట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ దేర్ ఫైనల్ ప్రాసెస్ అవుట్. అంతే కదా. యా, దెన్ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ టోటల్ జాబ్స్ ఆల్సో. So that is the total final concepts of REST API. So 99% everything completed. How to create Django applications, how to deployment. If already deployment is there, I want to create API. Just you can add there, refresh it in pythonanywhere.com. It will be added. Endpoint also available there. Everything it should be displayed. Anyone can access my jobs. If there are multiple endpoints, no, don't create multiple endpoints either. Always one or two only. Don't use multiple endpoints. Entire project I'm telling now, one point is for create resource list purpose. Second endpoint, retrieving, deleting, put to patch. And only two endpoints you have to create, not multiple endpoints. That is not a professional programming. Sir, Jonde, what is the use of Postman? Yes, to test API functionality. That is the purpose of Postman. Same like that. Yes, API testing. Very good. Another one is there. What it is? Swagger. Swagger is also there. It is also, it's very simple. It is also to test API functionality. Both are used. Suppose entry they are asking, that's why I'm telling you. If you have both knowledge, then added advantage. Na? But Swagger, another advantage is to get the documentation also. Yes. What is meant for documentation? Suppose you have created an API, you are given to end user, some person. How to use that API, you have to tell some rules and regulations or not. That is only. Both are possible in Swagger. API functionality possible and documentation for API also possible by using Swagger. First one, only 3 points are there, sir. Existing project, I can add Swagger, check it. Malli if I'm creating project means, again create project. Models, serializers, URLs, already everything is there. Just I had to Swagger, then I will test it. How application working, check it. First step, you have to install. pip install Django hyphen rest hyphen swagger. Copy. REST API product. This is also. Observe carefully now. Now, Chundi, what I'm given, pip install Django hyphen rest hyphen swagger. Click on enter. One more. Failed. Already, sorry. Requirement already satisfied. Yeah, first step done. Next, we have to add one thing. We have to add what it is. Rest underscore. Babu, 5 minutes. It will finish. Framework underscore swagger to settings dot py. Third step, simple. Define URL. Completed your story. Ante only 3 steps. Install swagger, and you have to do that one, and you have to do the urls.py. Ante general gaite again I have to go Django hyphen admin, start project, swagger project, create model, create admin, create serializer. Instead of nonsense, already one project is there that I have to add. You will get clarity. Check it. Go to our REST API applications. In REST API, which is the suitable means. View sets denlo vadam. Models, admin, serializers. Model serializer is there. URLs లేవునే. దీనికి రాస్తే పోద్దామా? Sir, employee model is there, admin is there, serializer is there, model serializers. సరే చూడండి, జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. You no need to change anything. Model okay, perfect. Serializer okay, perfect. But one change is required. What it is? Settings. Yeah. ఎక్కడ ఇదిగోండి, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడుందా? ఇది రెస్ట్ అండర్ స్కోర్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అథెంటికేషన్. మనకి ఏం కావాలి? ఏం చెప్పాను? రెస్ట్ అండర్ స్కోర్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ అండర్ స్కోర్ స్వాగర్. ఇది కావాలి. బికాస్ జస్ట్ నో ఇన్స్టాల్డ్. ఇదిగోండి అదే చెప్పింది. యాడ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్. URL I have to define. Go to URLs. సరే ఇవన్నీ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ సీరియలైజర్స్. సార్ మనం ఎక్కడో మొత్తానికి వ్యూస్. Come to views. Yes, you can comment all these authentication. Otherwise, it is asking authentication token. Comment all these nonsense. Come urls.py. Sir, ikkada what URL I have to give in means something we imported na. Yeah, from what it is, rest underscore framework underscore swagger. Yes, dot views. Import. What I want to import? Get underscore swagger view. Adi oka function. By default FBV function is there. Now I want to created my own schema underscore view. What I want to give is, what is the function name? Get underscore swagger underscore view. Inside I have to give title. anything you can give. For example, this is employee API functionality testing by using which one? Swagger. Completed. This view I want to give as a path. Here I want to give any name. Docs slash. What is your view? Just line number 26. Schema view. Completed. Now, as we have to check this one, stop this server. Is it fine or not? Okay. CD with rest for py manage.py run server. Oh, yeah. Double parenthesis padindi. Save. Now check the server status. Fine. What to do? Give this URL address with what is URL? Docs. Attribute error docs. Attribute error auto schema object get underscore link. ఓకే అయితే మారిపోయి ఉంటది అయితే. Auto underscore schema object no attribute get underscore link. ఆగండి ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. Link equal to self dot get underscore links. Get schema request equal to request generator. నాకు చెప్తే ఎక్కడో పోయింది ఇది. Views I am commenting it. Framework underscore swagger. Where? సెట్టింగ్స్ లో అడుగుతున్నాడా? చెప్పండి ఏమన్నాడు సెట్టింగ్స్ లో? ఇది కాదు, సెకండ్ వన్ చూడాలి ఇప్పుడు. Previously it is running. ఇదేంటి సర్వర్ రీస్టార్ట్ అయింది? గెట్ లింక్ ఆటో స్కీమా ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఆటో స్కీమా ఎక్కడుంది అసలు? అంటే URLs సంథింగ్ వీ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్. అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ వీఆర్ యాడెడ్ ఇన్ ద సెట్టింగ్స్ నా సార్. సెట్టింగ్స్ యాడ్ అయినాకే సర్వర్ రీస్టార్ట్ చేశాను కదా, చేసాం. ఇంకా సెట్టింగ్స్ లో రెస్ట్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ స్వాగర్ ఐ యాడెడ్. ఇంకో ఇంతే కదా. గెట్ స్వాగర్ వ్యూ. ఇదిగో సేమ్ అదే ఇచ్చింది. ఆగండి, ఇది డిజంగో హైఫనా అండర్ స్కోరా? ఇవి మరి హైఫన్ ఇచ్చాడేంటి? సరే, వి విల్ గివ్. ఓకే, ఏమైద్దో చూద్దాం. సెట్టింగ్స్. సర్వర్ ఇస్ రెడీ. ఓకే. ఓహో, I18N, L10N. సరే, ఇవన్నీ టెస్టింగ్ తెలుసా? I18N ఇంటర్నేషనలైజేషన్ టెస్టింగ్, L10N టెస్టింగ్, ఇవన్నీ ఇవన్నీ పోయినాయి అంటుంది. స్టాటిక్ అంటే నాలో ఏమైనా టెంప్లెట్స్ ఏం లేవు కదా. ఆ, అవును, ఇచ్చానుగా. ఇదిగో రెస్ట్ అండర్ స్కోర్ ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్ అండర్ స్కోర్ స్వాగర్. కాదబ్బా, అక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడంటే వాడు చెప్తా. టుమారో లేదు, లేదు సార్, నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ ప్లీజ్. యా యా, ఐ విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్. ఇంకా లేదు, ఈ రోజే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్. ఐ విల్ షేర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్, ఏపీఏ రిలేటెడ్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఐ విల్ షో. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి, నిన్న రన్ అయింది కదా. Hmm. That is predefined method. Na, it is not my function. And everyone telling this is the solution. You can add this one. Rest and Is there any there? Rest underscore framework can I add? Idigondi. Already here. I think static files are required. Yes, yes, yes. So you can find out the solution that is getting hmm. ఏదో స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది ఎక్కడో. Sir, okay, chodo. I will check it. Somewhere else I will give whatever problem is there. So this is the way how to do all these things. So next I prepared these questions. I will share this one. REST API related FAQs, RESTful services total. And up to now, whatever we discussed in that only. Explain what is the REST and RESTful. I'm given explanation. The architecture of creating web API based on REST. Explain some key characters of the REST. Which protocols used RESTful web services? Ade, I will give. What is resources in REST? So like that, so many questions I'm given related to REST API. Starting to up to now, whatever you discussed, those things are available there. I'm gonna DRF. Until previously, without Django REST, normal. Now, by using DRF, Django REST framework, whatever available there, question answers are there, and total material will be there. That is also I will share. Every day, whatever I'm typing, new one I will give, old one, both I will give. This is the starting batch documentation file, this one, okay? In that small changes are there, this total PDF. But daily for your purpose, I'm preparing one notes now. That I will share. In that, all the latest modifications, everything is there. This one, the starting class onwards. What is REST API? I will give PDF is there. PDF file I will give. So here, starting to today, up to now, whatever discussing is one, every program, daily programs, notes, latest things, everything will be provided there. Here, I will share all the documents for you. Just to practice it. Whenever next batch will start, I will inform in the Google Classroom. Finally, you are all the Django and API developers. Not only Django, if only Django means 4 lakhs only. If you API developers, then 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. Only Python means 2 lakhs only. That's why you are all the professionals, man. Everyone.
Recording stopped.
Arre. Alachi tertaraya babu.